What's good, everybody? It's OzyWorldWide, Mr. Too Trendy, and I'm back with another video. Bare people have been telling me about this Farah situation, what's my thoughts, what I think about it. And I'm not gonna lie, I was shocked. I didn't expect Farah to have a different name. Apparently his man's name is Hussein Abdi Kahin. Yeah. He's actually from the same place in Somaliland that I'm from, Gibili. And he had to escape, man's got trafficked into the UK, not as a human being, but to be a slave basically, and it's very sad. It's very sad. It's modern day slavery. It's just been happening along a lot. I'm trying to watch this documentary right now. It's maybe like 4 minutes, it's not gonna be long. I'm gonna offer my thoughts and we're gonna see what he has to say.
Most people know me as Mo Farah, but it's not my name, or it's not the reality. The real story is I was born in Somaliland, north of Somalia, as Hussein Abdi Kahin.
That's crazy.
Despite what I've said in the past, my parents never lived in the UK. When I was 4, my dad was killed in a civil war.
It was tough times, man.
As a family, we were torn apart. I was separated from my mother, and I was brought into the UK illegally under the name of another child called Mohammed Farah.
Wow. Shit, man. I mean,
this is the visa.
Think about it. Most people, they lie about the age, lie about their,
this is the visa to come to the UK, and this was the document.
It's nothing crazy when you think about it.
You would have been 9, you hadn't turned.
But it's mad because it's like, he's in the light, He's not like a regular nigga.
But it's not my name. From that moment, coming in, it was a different name and different identity. I know I've taken someone else's place, and I do wonder, what is Muhammad doing now? And
that's tough.
My mum's name's Aisha. I'll never forget my mum on that tape.
Yeah.
kolba halkay joogaan unba iska warqaabaane waan ogaaday inuu ku nool yahay Ingiriiska.
So the tape, it had a number on it.
That's the thing about Somali ways, man. They can never forget about you,
This is the number.
You can leave them for 20 years.
Said,
if
this is a bother causing you trouble,
even if they didn't raise you, something happened.
You don't have to contact me. And I'm going,
the mother's love is unconditional,
And at that point, that's when I first called my mum.
10 sano maxaa ku qabanaya dhowr iyo 10 sano isagaaba malaha aanan waxba ka haynin kolkii aan maqlay muraayadiisa ay hor joogtay in saa u hayay ayaan ina jabiyaba doonay ina jabiyo dhex garaba ayaan doonay farxad darteed awgeed.
I just remember going, Mum, she's like, yeah, you do.
farxadii baan ku iloobay farxadii kolkii aan helo ila hadlay oo baaban iska iloobo fududaaday wax walba waan ku fududo.
Was on set now,
How's Hassan? He's doing good, and I remember that moment was just to know that your mum's okay and she's alive, and they're all okay. For me, it was like everyone's okay.
That's mad. A lot of people don't get that chance.
On side.
All I wanted to do is to go and see my family out in Somaliland. From day one, the lady, what she did wasn't right. I wasn't treated as part of the family. I was always that kid who did everything.
That's child
I don't know, more someone like who works for you, just, that's your space, that's our space, this is what you do. If I wanted food in my mouth, my job was to look after those kids.
Damn.
Shower them, cook for them.
That's mad.
Clean for them. And she said, if you ever want to see your family again, don't say anything. If you say anything, they will take it away.
That's tough.
Often I would just lock myself in the bathroom and
a lot of girls do that same thing too.
Nobody's there.
They go to
after a while,
women with like a bad situation and then try to take the kid to exploit them.
That emotion.
That's crazy.
No, I remember just putting up with everything that she ever said. The anger and just the screaming.
That's crazy, bro. Yo, shout out to Mo Farah, man. Imagine coming from that type of background, you basically accomplish all your goals, That's tough. Because think about it. Our mother's role is very important, teaching the kid etiquettes, teaching the kid about the deen, teaching him all these good manners and all that. That's the important role of the mother. But if the mother's not there, and then the person who's raising you is not treated like human, how you gonna turn out, you know? Luckily for him, he's good. But most people's situation, it's not like that, you know? They grow up without the parents in their life. Imagine they never see them too, you know? And then it's like, what's the future gonna look like? It's very scary, fam. It's very scary, man. If you're in a situation that you're getting exploited right now, it's best to speak up, you know? And the older people, we have to do better, you know? We have to teach the younger generation, yo, you know, how to set the example. Basically, they're just making money off of you, you know? Because that's what it is most of the time. So, yo, big up to freaking Mo Farah. This is a very good information to find out. It's good to just tell your story, let it all go, you know? Let your past go and move forward. Wallah, your past doesn't define you, you know? It's not gonna make you, you know? What you go through will either make you or break you, fam, you know? So, wallah, you have to keep your mind strong all times. It's OzyWorldWide, Mr. Too Trendy. Keep staying blessed. And wallah, keep making your heart proud and keep making your people proud.